look who it is.
I didn't bring my shirt. You can't vlog about me. I forgot about it. Move the cup.
But you said that you're going to bring your shirt.
I forgot. I just put something on and forgot.
Alrighty guys, so this is the DJI Osmo Pocket waterproof case. So you'll see there is a small kind of a panel where you can compose shots. 2 button, record button, and just to change between photo, video and stuff like that. Also this is their front kind of case, and we've been testing this the whole day. We put it in sand, we put it in water, we literally wanted to scratch this up, but this glass is super tough. It's like literally you cannot scratch it at any freaking way. There's like literally no possibility of you to scratch this part. This is going to be the review of the Osmo Pocket waterproof case, and so I'm just going to show you how to insert the Osmo Pocket in a proper way on your waterproof case, and what all shots you can do with it. So at first you take your Osmo Pocket.
Well, hold on, pause. Before you even do that, take out your Osmo Pocket, turn it on. Make sure you're at version 0.1.08, otherwise this is not going to work. Do a firmware update, swipe left, you see that sign, and then you power it off. And after you power it off, you introduce it in the Osmo Pocket waterproof case.
Your screen should face the other way, and then you insert this inside like this, okay, and it goes plush, and then you have a small like a thing out here, which I don't know, I think it's a clip-on kind of a hook or anything, and make sure everything is right, and that's it. Everything is set and done. After you put into the mode, we have an ND filter attached to this, so we will turn this on. So it does the gimbal thing, and now you are in your waterproof mode. A couple of shots that we are going to show you are using this. We were trying to do it in the beach, but like it's too cold to go to the beach right now. Still too cold. I mean, like the water was super chill, but we did some shots so that you get a perspective about how you can use this. Also do notice that the Osmo, so this angle, as you can see, is the way your stuff is going to look. So whenever you are introducing your shots or anything, your shot should be something like this, so that whenever you're dragging a shot and pulling out a shot, your selfie stick or anything will be coming up like this. So yeah, so that is the way we are going to do the shots like that. And let's see some shot. Also one more stuff, there are anti-fog inserts, and something happened to those anti-fog inserts. Anton from Tech5 threw away the anti-fog inserts in the packaging because he thought,
Hey, I didn't throw them away. I threw them away, yo.
you
Okay,
threw it away.
So take a look, okay.
Okay.
I actually brought this just to prove your point.
Okay.
So if you guys seen the anti-fog things, they look like this. So I thought it's just for packaging purposes. So you know what I did? I did that. But then he pointed at you, told me that they are anti-fogs.
Wanna pick it up?
So, shit happens. Not everyone is perfect. I know Opinions Matter is perfect, and that's what you guys watching, but no one watches me. I'm not perfect.
I think first of all I need to say I'm not perfect, and he's just messing it up. Anyway, so anti-fog inserts are not available anymore because we freaking threw those anti-fog inserts, because we thought that to be that is a silicone gel, and we just took it and threw it in the street anyways.
Alrighty, so couple of things before we see the shots. These are all our fails that didn't work out good. First of all is that you cannot control the gimbal at all. It's locked to a position. So we were trying to get the wave, just follow the waves to the shore and submerge it a little bit, just get that perfect kind of shot, so that the waves actually hit the camera lens. But the angle was so low, we did not realize that in the beginning. And even though we tried to do a lot of shots, all of these shots came out super bad. It was like a total fail. But as you can see, whether we were playing with this for like a good 1 hour or so. Well, things always do not go according to plan, so we decided to go to a local fountain, redo the whole review just to show you guys some perspective. Perspective number one is what happens when you put the Osmo Pocket in the waterproof case, and do you get that same green tinge that happens like literally whenever you take any kind of action camera to the water, and you're like, where is that cinematic blue, right? And scratching our heads, and we cannot find that. Well, there are two ways you can do this. There is either you can do it in post production, which I'm going to show you right now, and or you can, use like filters or snorkel filters and stuff like that. But as you can see right now, it's not edited at all. It looks green, and that's how it looks. But you can change and cool it down in post production, like now. Again, half submerged shots. These are one of my favorite shots. I like a lot of shots that are half submerged in water, and these are original ones taken from the Osmo Pocket. But later on in post, you can cool it down a bit, make it a little bit more cinematic. These are few perspectives that I already wanted to show you guys.
Alrighty guys, so that was it. That was from the channel. This channel is Opinions Matter, drones, tech, tutorials, tips, videos of different genres posted in the channel. Multi-diversity channel, because I do not want to be any niche or anything, because this channel is non-sponsored. So if you guys like this presentation, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do press that subscribe button, right, should be on the left hand side. Yeah, so take care, see you guys again on another episode. Good night.
Subscribe, y'all. My boy right here, my boy is out here. Opinion matters. I'm gonna tell you my opinion, bro. Get money.